on YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So the QQQY, I own them. Again, it's a monthly distribution. I'll go over them briefly. But what the heck's going on? Their distribution has gone down. So I'm going to show you the trends of TSLY and QQQY. Again, these are not the most reliable for passive income. Now, if you're looking for passive income, look at a dividend growth stock like Starbucks. They hike their dividend over time. I own Starbucks. I own TSLY. I own QQY. I'll explain to you why I buy the QQQY, TSLY, and some of these other ones. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this ETF out right now. Well, that would be the Defiance Nasdaq 100 Enhanced Options Income ETF. That's the symbol. They're sitting at 1751. The past year, they've been down 11.79%. So the average volume is 717.89K. Year range is 1730 to 2018. Day range is 1738 to 1753. Previous close was 1747. So understanding these guys, that it's very important is to you really need to know what you're getting yourself into first. So again, this is strictly for income. This is not going to beat the Nasdaq 100. This is not going to beat the S&P 500. This is strictly for income. So we're going to go over that. So on their website, QQQY aims to achieve consistent outsized monthly yield distributions for investors with equity market exposure to the Nasdaq 100. It is an actively managed exchange-traded fund that seeks an enhanced income constructed of treasuries and Nasdaq 100 index options. Did you see that? Treasuries and Nasdaq 100 index options. The strategy's objective is to generate outsized monthly distributions by selling option premium on a daily basis. The fund uses daily options to realize rapid time decay by selling in the money puts with ODTE. The fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, subject to a limit of potential investment gains. So going down here, again, you're seeing nothing within the Nasdaq. These are just, again, what they said, the treasuries. So make sure you read that. Now, their distribution schedule has gone down. I'm sorry, their distribution rate has gone down. It was $1.10, $1.93. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. You're seeing it go down. It kind of reminds me of QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. It's going to be stuck within a certain range, and its distribution rate is 60.52%. I'm going to be honest with you. It'll probably plateau and stuck at being plateaued. I mean, this is what's going on with TSLY, and actually, I'm thrilled with TSLY actually their distribution of being more than 40 cents. So I even told you before. I mean, with it being more than 40 cents, I'm thrilled because it's buying me dividend growth stocks, and again, investing in QQQY and TSLY, helping me buy dividend growth stocks. That's strictly why I'm using them. Again, I'm not completely relying on them. These could do a reverse stock split. Just be aware of that. So I wouldn't put all your eggs into one basket. I mean, I would definitely reinvest. Some people have lost money. I lost a little bit, but I made up for it a lot with the passive income of TSLY and QQQY. And I'm going to show you TSLY real quick and compare them. You can look at TSLY, they've gone down significantly, and QQQY has as well. So I'm going to go back to, let's just say 1 month. You're seeing them starting to plateau a little bit, and TSLY is at 1173. And I mean, the past year to date, just looking at TSLY, again, this is why it's a risk. I only threw a few investments into them. I just did a dollar cost averaging with some play money. I wanted to experiment with TSLY, and looking at their trends, it looks like it's at its plateau. I don't know if it'll ever get above $13, to be honest with you. It's kind of like the box theory, which I said uh, QYLD. So like you're stuck between a certain price range. This is why I call it the box theory. So you'll probably be at $10 at the worst, and you'll probably be at $16 at best. It's just That's just how it is. Again, it's still a high yield. It has a high expense ratio with as well as QQQY of 0.99 percent, which is high. So I strictly use their income to buy other dividend stocks. So I'm going to jump to TSLY's dividend history. So here's their dividend history. So January was 99 cents, and then February was 90 cents, and then May it was at 44 cents, and then June 80 cents, and then which was a big one, July it was 106, and then August it was 83 cents. So you're seeing kind of a plateau, 57 to 58 cents. Again, I'm thrilled it's greater than 40 cents or more. I was even happy with this amount. So what I did, again, I threw it in M1 Finance, and I'll probably go over that with you with my future plans. We're going to go over my dividend portfolio in probably tomorrow. I'm going to try to show you my dividend stock buys tomorrow, but I just wanted to go over the trends of TSLY and what could go on with QQQY. So it looks like they're starting to plateau, and I don't think they're going to jump back to $20. I'll just be honest with you. And again, I use play money to invest. I use TSLY's income on E-Trade to buy more shares of TSLY and M1 Finance. So that's one thing that I'm still doing. I'm hoping that Scion is on E-Trade. That will be added. And with my dollar cost averaging that I plan on doing, 2024 is going to be the year of the monthly dividends for me. I'm really going to focus on monthly dividend ETFs, monthly dividend stocks. Again, I have a goal of $1,000 to $3,000 a month monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month in quarterly dividends. This is the time to really capitalize on those monthly dividend ones like Agree Realty Corporation, and use the income from TSLY and some of them. I'm not going to load up in TSLY. I'm going to look at a little bit at QQQY. It may drop even more, so I may just capitalize on that. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. So I just wanted to let you know the trends. They're starting to drop a little bit, just maybe equivalent to TSLY. So just be aware of what you're getting yourself into. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Take care and have a great Tuesday. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I reveal to you my dividend stock buys, and this is my YouTube channel. And as you know, if you ask me for financial advice, I'm not going to give you financial advice. I'm going to refer you to somebody like a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to give financial advice. I've said that numerous times. That's the person you should look for when you're looking for financial advice. And don't forget, investing is a risk. You got to make sure you do your due diligence, or else it'll blow up in your face. So you can lose money investing in the stock market or ETFs like TSLY and QQQY. So know what you're getting yourself into, do your research, and do your due diligence. Take care and have a good one.